Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are in good spirits. I welcome you all in another session of computer. This is our lecture number 3 and we are learning chapter number 1 which is Viz and Computer. I hope you all have remembered that what is Viz, what is computer, what is personal computer and what are the uses of computer. In today's lecture, first of all, we will summarize the home task which I have given to you. I hope you all have completed. Then we will do book exercises and some copy work too. Without wasting time, let's start our lecture. My dear students, open page number 3. I have given you the question which was to write 5 uses of computer. Let's start. 1. For making records. Second, for playing games. Third, to make timetable. 4. For making drawings. 5. For taking online classes. Yes, there can be many other uses of computer. If you have written any other, it will be right. Now, open page number 6. Okay, there was a question. Look carefully at the picture of the computer lab on page 2. Then answer the following question. So, if you have done, then let's do it with me. How many children are in the computer lab? There are 3 children. How many computers did you see? There are 3 computers. Did you see a mouse? Yes. Does the computer lab have a printer? No. I can't see any printer. Are the children sharing a computer? No. They are PCs, so one computer can be used by individual. My dear student, now open page number 7. Explore with Viz. Where are computers being used in these pictures? What are they being used for? In the first picture, as you can see, Viz is playing game. So, it is used at home to play games. In the second picture is an ATM and Viz is standing over there. So, it is used at banks to withdraw money from an ATM. In the third picture, there is a box and there is a computer. And you can see a bag on the desktop. And Viz is standing over there. So, it is used at an airport to screen luggages. This is done. Now move on to the next page. My dear student, this is page number 8. There is a question and you have to answer it. I hope you all are able to answer these questions as you have understood the whole lesson. Number 1. What does the P in PC stands for? The P stands for personal and C stands for computer. So the answer is personal. Second question. What does the computer store in its memory? The computer stores all the data in its memory. What are words and numbers that are fed into the computer called? Anything fed into the computer is called data. Number 4. What kind of a computer is a laptop? As laptop is used by individual, so it's a personal computer. Where does the computer store its data permanently? The computer stores its data in the memory. Okay, this is done. Now move on to the next slide. Okay, my student, now open your copies. We will do this worksheet on the copies. And if you don't have copies, you can do on the rough copy. Or this is another option. You can take a print of this worksheet and paste it on your copies. This is a question. Tick the correct statement. There are 3 statements given. You have to tick the right and correct statement. On the copies, when you will do this work, you have to write all these 3 statements and then you have to tick the right one. Do same as it is on the screen. Let's start. Number 1, A option. The computer remembers everything. Yes, it's right. B option. The computer does not remember anything. This is wrong. C option is the computer remembers everything entered into it. A and C are both right, but C is more appropriate. So the answer is C. Now second one, A part. We can't store data on the computer. This is wrong. B option. We can store data permanently. This may be right. Let's check the C option. C is we can store data in the computer's memory. C option is right because we can't store data permanently. Sometimes data is deleted. So C is the right option. Come to third part. A option is the keys on a keyboard are data. This is wrong. B. The story we write on the computer is not data. This is also wrong. The story we write is also a data. Now come to the C option. Words, numbers and pictures we fed into the computer are called data. Yes, the C option is right. We have done this worksheet. I hope all of you will do on your copies. This is page number 9, with notes. These are the main points of the full chapter. You can see a small summary of the chapter. Let's start. A personal computer is called a PC. It can be used by one person at a time. Desktop computers, laptops, and tablets are all personal computers. Data can be words, pictures, or numbers fed into the computer. The computer remembers all the data. Computers have memory. Data can be stored in the memory permanently. So, I hope all of you have understood the topic. And this is the end of the chapter. My dear student, we have finished our first chapter and I hope all the lecture is clear to you. Now, in the coming lectures, we will inshallah do practicals. I will guide you step by step and you will perform at home. It's time to say goodbye to my dear students. Have a nice day.